Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a lead ad from Ads Manager. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Creating a lead ad from Ads Manager is a great way to collect contact if directly from users without them leaving Facebook or Instagram. To do it, first head over and open up your browser, then on the search bar simply type in Ads Manager. Then once your search result loads, simply tap on the first link that is shown to you. Then once you're inside here, be sure to be logged in with your ad account as well. Then once logged into your ad account, simply tap on the Go to Ads Manager option. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is choose the campaign objective by selecting leads as your campaign objective and selecting continue. Then setting up your campaign by naming your campaign and choosing whether to enable campaign budget optimization. Then create the ad set by choosing your lead method from instant forms or calls or chat. Then define your audience, budget, schedule and placements. Then next is to create the ad by selecting your Facebook page or optionally your Instagram account. Then choose the ad format, upload your creative assets, then add your primary text, headline description and call to action. Then once done, create the lead form and build the form, and lastly view and publish. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.